my name is Brooke Shaden, and I am so happy that I've been invited to speak at Kando Everywhere, where I'm going to share two topics with you that are really important to me. One is about creating evocative fine art. How can we take our art deeper in a meaningful way that also connects to an audience and that explores something maybe uncomfortable inside of us? And the other one is all about the storied brand. How can we connect everything that we do, our personalities and our products, our art, into a single story that best resonates with a wider audience and that takes us to another level in our business. So those are the topics that I'm talking about. I'm so excited and I really hope that you can join me, and I can't wait to answer your questions about those things as well. Thanks guys, and thanks Sony.